How to see all Google Maps satellite images. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Google Play Store on your Android device or App Store and search for Google Earth. And after that, you need to install this application on your device. After that, tap to launch it and make sure to log into your account using your Google account. Now tap the search bar at top of the screen and type in a place. So let's search for Washington DC. After a while, once it shows the exact location, tap on the layers icon at top right corner of the screen. And then simply locate the option for time-lapse switches under additional layers and toggle the button on. And this will let you view a global time-lapse video of the planet from 1984 to today. So let's come back and you can easily expand this. And in this way, you can easily see all Google Maps satellite images. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.